What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. This one, picking up another storage unit. This one I won the auction for 60, but with taxes, fees, I paid around 80 bucks. So this one's more of a gamble. There's nothing of value that I can really see in there except for possibly some protein powder bags of protein powder. One looks like it's sealed, the other one I'm not sure. So I mean, if those are sealed and not expired, then there'll be some value there. Maybe like I can get most of the money back for the locker. I looked one of them up, they retail for $100 a bag. So if I can get half or a little bit less than half, and they're both, sealed, that would be basically my money back for the locker, and then everything else would be profit. So I'm gonna go in and pay for it just now, and then I'll take you guys there with me when I open up the locker and go through stuff, see what's there. Hopefully I get something. With these lockers, you never know. There could be some small items in there that are valuable, and you just never know. But for me, I think this one was worth the gamble. It's not gonna be too much work. There's not that much stuff in there, so I should be able to clear it out pretty quickly. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back with another storage unit. This one, like I said, I only paid 80 bucks. Let's check it out. This one, I didn't really see anything that great. It was more of a gamble for 80 bucks. Looks like this has been like, I don't know if it's been new. I saw these. So these look sealed, so this might be, there's probably some value there. And I'll go through these bags and stuff. Maybe I can find something interesting in the bags. So yeah, that's a good sign. These are sealed. I gotta check the expiry, I guess. But I looked this up. These sell for like $100. So if I can get like maybe 40 each for these, that's my money back. And then whatever else I can find is profit. So I'm gonna start going through some stuff, see if there's anything good in here. So far, guys, nothing really. Got some change. This might have some value. It's like straps. I looked this up. Got the protein powder, and then got a couple windshield washer fluids. They look brand new, so it's not bad. And then there's this juicy, I don't know, whatever this is. I don't know if I'll have to look that up. Maybe that's what something. The rest is like, this is like flour and stuff, garbage. And I'm just gonna look through here, see if there's anything. This looks like all this be garbage. Yeah, it looks like a trash garbage. I'll go through it more, but this might just be garbage. This looks like some more garbage. This is strap. I can pick this up with more strap. See if these are any value. The rest of this stuff looks like garbage. Clear of like some kind of tool. It's just garbage though. This is some kind of, it's like an electric heater or something. I think so. I'll look it up. Maybe it's worth something. But like I said, guys, this was just a gamble. This was just a gamble unit. I didn't really expect to, find anything good in here. Looks like there's some clothing. What are these? Diesel? Brand new with the tags? It's not bad. It's not bad. Look those up. Maybe they're worth something. Not sure. Looks like there's some other stuff in here. T-shirt? Polo? Okay. With the tag still? Not bad. Not bad at all. See, that's why sometimes it's good to gamble on this stuff, because usually sometimes there's stuff inside. A pair of sneakers. Alright, I'm gonna go through more stuff. I'll let you guys know. Yo guys, check this out. I opened up this bag. It's filled with purses, brand new tag purses. There's a bunch here. There's all the ones. There's some other brand. I'm not sure what this is, but a bunch of purses here. What's this? I'm not sure what this one is. They feel kind of cheap. I'm gonna have to like check them out, check them out more in depth. But the clickbait, I don't know, they feel kind of fake. But brand new with tags. Yo, there's a bunch. There's like 8 purses there, brand new. So if those are legit, that's probably a couple $100. And then I got more clothing here, some Adidas pants. These are Diesel jeans. There's some other shirts here, Calvin Klein and stuff. Brand new with tags. And then I still have to go through the suitcase. So there could be some more clothing in here. So this locker is not bad. And then there's a bunch of these, like, this looks like honey, but it's like brand new sealed, $20. There's 3 of those. There's some other stuff in here I can go through, but there's got to be at least, I would say, $300-400 so far. Some shoes here. These aren't that great though. This is just trash. So I gotta go through the suitcase, see if there's any good clothing or anything else in there. But this was definitely a good gamble. I'm definitely gonna make some money. So yeah, stay tuned. So check this out, guys. I was going through the suitcase, found this Nike, suit. Really good condition. These sell for like $100 easy. And there's North Face and some other jackets here. This brand, I forget the name of it. Lagerfield Park, Paris. There's 3 of those jackets, winter jackets, and a North Face. And then I got this Nike suit. And then all this suitcase is filled with polo. All polo stuff. Some of it's brand new with the tags. Polo. Tons of polo. So I'm gonna go through it and see how much is there and if there's anything else that's like good. But yo, this was a really good unit. Got all these purses here, brand new with the tags. There's more stuff here. Found this hat too, New Era. So yo, there could be close to $1,000 here for $80. So another really good unit. This is my third good unit in a row. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this suitcase and see what's in there. Okay guys, so just loading everything up. That's all the stuff I'm taking here. Definitely at least $1,000 worth of stuff here. Tons of polo shirts, some good winter jackets, the protein powder. There's a bunch of other like kitchen stuff. Yeah, this one was really good. The purses. So, this was another really good locker. Like I said, I like just buying the small lockers. Even this locker didn't even have that much stuff in it really, but it didn't look like it had that much stuff. But in reality, there's tons of stuff here I could resell. At least, like I said, $1,000, and not too much garbage. This is a little bit of garbage here, and these shoes maybe I'll donate. But yeah, crazy one. And like I cleaned this out in like an hour, less than an hour. Load it all up, and that's it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.